welcome back to the channel. Thank you everyone for tuning in once again. This is Matt. I am back with another video. Today, folks, we are taking a turn to the left. This is not your normal video that you would see on my channel. There's no sneakers involved in today's video. Yes, again, I said it. There's no sneakers involved in today's video. So, today's video is about another passion that I have, which is Dragon Ball Z. As you can see from the shirt, little figures in the background, I am a nerd when it comes to Dragon Ball Z. So today I'm just going to unbox some Funko Pops that I picked up from the Funimation website. Oh yeah, and a disclaimer. Any music or videos used in this video, I do not own the rights to them. Again, any music or videos that are used in this video, I don't own any rights. So Funimation, please don't come for me. So we're going to do a quick little unboxing. The first package that I have today here is Ultra Instinct Goku from Dragon Ball Super. Really dope. I'm glad to have this, add this to the collection. We have a 25th year anniversary Silver Goku on Flying Nimbus. This is from Dragon Ball. This is where it all started. I think this is really dope. Again, I'm not going to unbox them. Might get like the protective coverings for them because I'm not too sure if it'll be worth anything later, but this is dope. We have, boom, something for my Vegeta fans, my man Mark. If you're watching this, I know you love Vegeta, but here we go. The Vegeta and the Gravity Training. Really dope. See the red coloring to him with the bandages. If anybody's seen that particular episode, he was red due to the inside of the gravity chamber. So I like how they put this inside here. This is really decent. We have another Goku. Now this Goku is from the 28th World Tournament. I believe this is GT due to the outfit. I'm not sure because it doesn't say. But I know most Goku from Dragon Ball Z, he has the orange one. I think this is from the end of GT or the end. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I got Goku from the 28th World Tournament. This is dope. We have, now this is a special edition Gohan. When he first started training with Piccolo during the Saiyan saga. See the sword in the background. What is it? Special edition. Don't know if it's worth anything, but like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it together. Only thing I did notice, there's no tail on Gohan. I don't know if you can see it right there. But yeah, normally when Gohan first was training, he had his tail. So I wish that would have been cool if they could put the tail on here. Now, I have two more. Now this is one, this isn't a Funko Pop, but it's a figurine. Never seen this one before. It's a Super Saiyan God Goku Blood of Saiyan special. I would actually love to take this out of the box, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I looked at it online. This is what the figure looks like. But again, I don't know if unboxing it like devalues it. So I'm just going to leave it in here until I figure out something to do with it. But yeah, Goku, Super Saiyan God. And my last one, which is one of my favorite versions of Goku that a lot of people don't like. This is the Super Saiyan 4 Goku. And this is a 9th anniversary version, which, again, when I see like the anniversaries and all that, I think that it might be worth something one day. So I'm not going to take it out of the box. But yeah, just see, I Googled this as well. The figurine looks like this, Super Saiyan 4 Goku. The details are probably crazy. The sensu beans on the side. This is really dope, man. Oh, this is actually from Dragon Ball Heroes, the video game. Oh, wow, okay. It's the card game, Dragon Ball Heroes. So this is the Time Force Goku. I mean, not Time, what is it, Time Troopers or whatever it is from Super. Something different. But yeah, this is dope. Well, that's it, folks. These are my new figurine pickups. You know, like I said, I'm a huge fan of everything Dragon Ball. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, comment on the video. Do you guys have anything that you collect besides shoes? Anybody? I seen a lot of people doing Pokemon cards again. I mean, does anybody collect anything? Let me know below. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to you later.
And this
What's he doing?
is to go even further beyond!